New ideas reinvent old concepts. In Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where interdisciplinary professionals at VARIS Lendava are realizing architectural dreams with high-quality prefabricated bathrooms. As one of the top 3 manufacturers in Europe, VARIS Lendava has been a synonym for innovative, first-class and durable bathrooms for over 40 years. So far, the company has produced more than 100,000 bathrooms for a variety of customers and purposes. Known for their expertise and ability to create custom-made products, VARIS Lendava is a respected partner to some of the world's most prestigious hotel chains.
Our solutions are the result of many years of experience and development. The goal is to become European leading provider of prefabricated bathrooms for all types of users, including hotels, residential buildings, nursing homes, hospitals, elderly homes and prisons. We are living our slogan, Quality Cubed. It is the VARIS guarantee for quality of products, processes and relationships. We never forget about the environment. For this reason, we use resources that are sustainable and user-friendly. In addition to tiles, we work with other materials such as wood, wallpaper and glass. It all depends on our customers' wishes.
Because of its creative approach, VARIS Lendava has won numerous awards and gained international recognition. In addition, it also holds a 15% market share in Germany, to where most of its products are exported. With creative solutions, such as the Nature Formula, a finished bathroom module that can be rebuilt, reinstalled or relocated, VARIS Lendava redefines the concept of prefabricated bathroom manufacture. By being green, creative and smart, VARIS Lendava is an example of the daring Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Realize your dreams in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.